Case Study 1. Where did the first Catholic Mass take place in the Philippines? The popularity of knowing where the first happened in the history has been easy way to trivialize history, but this case study will not focus on the significance of the site of the first Catholic Mass in the Philippines, but rather use it as historiographical exercise in the utilization of evidence and interpretation in reading historical events. Antonio Pigafetta was an Italian scholar and explorer from the Republic of Venice. He joined the expedition to the Spice Island led explorer Ferdinand Magellan. He served as Magellan's assistant and kept an accurate journal. Pigafetta was one of the 18 men out of 240 who returned in Spain in 1522. Toward the end of the 19th century and start of the 20th century, together with the increasing scholarship on the history of the Philippines, a more known reading on the available evidence was made, which brought to light from consideration in going against the more accepted interpretation to the first Mass in the Philippines made both by Spanish and Filipino scholars. Historical controversies. Some Filipino historians have long contested the idea that Limasawa was the site the first Catholic Mass in the country. Case Study 2. What happened in the Cavite Mutiny? The year 1872 is a historic year of two events, the Cavite Mutiny and the martyrdom of the three priests, later immortalized as Gomburza, that made this year controversial are the different sides to the story, a battle perspective supported by the primary sources, which is a major factor in awakening of nationalism among the Filipinos. Meanwhile, official report magnified the event and made use of it to implicate the native clergy, which was then active in the call for secularization. The two Spaniards deemed the event of 1872 was planned earlier and was thought of it as a big conspiracy among educated leaders, mestizos, abogadillos or native lawyers, residents of Manila and Cavite, and the native clergy. They insinuated that the conspirators of Manila and Cavite planned to liquidate high-ranking Spanish officers followed by the massacre of the friars. The alleged preconcerted signal among conspirators of Manila and Cavite was the firing of rockets from the walls of Intramuros. According to the accounts of the two, on January 20, 1872, the district of Sampaloc celebrated the Feast of the Virgin of Loreto. Unfortunately, participants to the feast celebrates the occasion with the usual fireworks display. Allegedly, those in Cavite mistook the fireworks as the sign for the attack, and just like what was agreed upon, the 200-man contingent headed by Sergeant Lamadrid launched an attack targeting Spanish officers at sight and seized the arsenal. Case number 3. Did Rizal retract? Jose Rizal is identified as a hero for the revolution for his writings that center on ending on colonialism and liberating Filipino minds contribute to creating the Filipino nation. It is understandable, therefore, any piece of writing from Rizal that recounts everything he wrote against the friars and the Catholic Church in the Philippines could deal heavy damage to his image as a prominent Filipino revolutionary. Such document purportedly exists, allegedly signed by Rizal a few hours before execution. The document, referred to as the Retraction, declares Rizal belief in the Catholic faith and retracts everything he wrote against the church. CM on 18 May 1935, I declare myself a Catholic, and in this religion in which I was born and educated, I wish to live and die. I retract with all my heart whatever in my words, writings, publications, and conduct has been contrary to my character as son of the Catholic Church. I believe and I confess whatever she teaches, and I submit to whatever she demands. I abominate Masoni as the enemy which is of the church, and as society prohibited by the church. The diocesan prelate may, as the superior ecclesiastical authority, make public this spontaneous manifestation of mine in order to repair the scandal which my acts have caused, and so that God people may pardon me. Manila, December 29 of 1986. Jose Rizal. Case number 4. Where did the cry of rebellion happen? The city of Rebellion marks the starts of revolutionary events that swept the Spanish colonies in the late 19th century. This happened on August 1896, northeast of Manila, where they declared rebellion against the Spanish colonial government. Controversies arise as to when and where this event happened. Teodoro Agoncillo said was when Bonifacio turned the cedula before Katipuneros, while others say it was when Aguinaldo commissioned the Himno de Balintawak after the Pact of Biak na Bato failed. A monument for the heroes 1896 was erected at the corner of Epifanio de los Santos Avenue and in Bonifacio Drive in 1962, and then the cry was celebrated every 26th of August.